Okay, so this video is for Debug Variables 2, the second part of our two-part test. You were able to do debug variables for the previous assignment, which hopefully you figured out. We have another one that is a little bit more difficult, so let's take a look. We're going to use the write command, which is a different UI command than what you've already been introduced to. So far, we've only dealt with the console.log, which is fantastic for the computer to be able to communicate to you, but not so much for the eyes of our users. So we're going to play around with the write command a little bit, and we're going to figure out what's wrong with this. Now, you do see this do this. We have a picture. The picture says the value of score is 7, the value of lives is 20. So ultimately, this is how it should look to know that we're successful. To solve these problems, you should only add or remove quotation marks. Run the starter code, locate and fix the problems. Goal: make the app display what's shown at the right, but only adding and removing quotation marks from the code given. Now I've noticed that even though I've made this pretty, a lot of students still don't pay attention or still don't read it. I'm even making a video, and this is no guarantee. So I've actually included a comment here. So if you're ever looking at commenting code, just giving yourself, your future users some information, or if you just want to not quite erase a code and you want to test it without getting rid of it, you can use the comments, which are these two division symbols almost. So you can see right here it says rules, add or remove quotation marks only. So right here we have something on 6 that says it's expecting the end of a parentheses and said it saw that it's missing semicolons. So there's something wrong with 6. That would be my first area to start working on. Now, as you can see, there's the write command. And what the write command does is it's going to show up here instead of in our debug console down here. Write is located under UI controls towards the end. And again, you can use this just to quite literally print what's on the screen itself. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your stuff.